Alright guys, it's that time of the week again where I go ahead and check my coolant and oil to make sure they're all Gucci. I forgot a paper towel again, gosh darn it. But last week everything was fine. Let's see how this week goes. Is the oil still going to be good? I don't know. Is the coolant still going to be there? I don't know. Let's look. So coolant, still good. Oil, I gotta get a paper towel. Unless I could use a leaf. Never mind. I'll go get a paper towel. I'll go get a paper towel. I'll be right back and we'll check the oil and see if it's still in the dipstick. Hopefully it is. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check this. I think it's gonna be perfectly fine, to be honest with you. But just check to be sure. Yeah, we're good. We are good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yes, you can. We are good. We're good to go. We're solid. So, question is, got some on the freaking So now the question is, how often am I gonna actually need to top it off with stuff? Because this is the second week. So we did it. Yeah, last week was the first time I checked it. This is the second time I checked it. So this is like week 1, week 2. So yeah, this is week 2. This is week 2 I've checked it. So how often am I really gonna have to fill this stuff up? Probably, honestly, not very often. Oh, it's so cold. My hands don't want to work. But anyway, guys, later on this week, I might go ahead and pick up I ordered a washer fluid pump because mine has never worked, and I really would love to have one. It's really annoying whenever you're behind a car in this kind of weather and it splashes up water on your windshield because it dries so fast. So if you're not already having your windshield wipers on as it's hitting your windshield, it's either going to be like a bunch of dirty dots all over your windshield or a bunch of dirty streaks, and then you can't see anything. It's really annoying, and you have no way of cleaning it off unless you have that washer fluid pump. So I need to get that and to get it installed. Might be doing that later this week, but other than that, I really have no plans for this week. I really don't know what to do. It's just about Thursday, so I got, honestly, today and tomorrow to record to get this video up for you guys, but that might be what I do. I'm not 100% sure yet, though. But for right now, we're all good. Oil's good, coolant's good. I will see you guys when I see you, all right? I don't know when it's going to be. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but it's going to be something, so I'll see you then. All right, guys, what is up? Well, I know what we're doing for this video now. Right now, I'm heading towards my car, but we're going to Holmes Exhaust again to get the exhaust checked to make sure it's all good and is still performing the way it should. So, another POV drive? Probably. Yeah, I think so. But first, we've got to get a cold start up, obviously. Yes. Love the way this car sounds now. Anyway, to the POV. Got a friend behind me. Cayenne. Honestly, it might even be a turbo. I was wrong. Wow, I thought that was I legit thought that was a Cayenne, not a Macan. Goodbye, friend. Hey, you're dirty like me. You got mud on your car. crazy that this is the speed limit on this road. Like in Wheeling, there are roads that are freaking straight and wider than this. With speed limits that are like half that. It's crazy. Basically, he found a leak, actually, and he patched it for me, which is awesome. I thought I heard a leak, which is why I went down there. But yeah, he found one. Basically, what had happened was the clamp it bent the pipe weird, so it didn't fit properly. So he basically he fixed it for me on the spot right there. It was awesome. Still definitely recommend him. He's really great. He knows his stuff. Awesome guy. Sounds really good. Sounds really good. So yeah, if you guys need an exhaust done, go to Holmes Exhaust if you're in the area. He is in Moundsville. He's an awesome guy. Absolutely amazing. Does some really good work as well. Dude's got a big old heavy load. I can literally smell his brakes, well, obviously I can smell his brakes, but I can literally feel the heat off of his brakes. And I have my air on cold, and also the windows open, but I can feel the heat off of his brakes. They're getting pretty roasty toasty. They smell pretty great too.